Enhance your cooking experience with the 180ml glass olive oil sprayer with brush. The new design ensures a delicate mist for even distribution of oil, controlling calories. Enjoy the ergonomic and non-slip design of the oil sprayer, making it easy to control the amount of oil for a healthier lifestyle. The sturdy glass and PP material ensure durability and easy cleaning. Experience the convenience of the oil sprayer's fan-shaped nozzle, providing an even spray for reduced calories. The large bottle mouth allows for easy pouring of oil, promoting a low-fat, healthy life. Keep your oil sprayer clean with the included brush, making maintenance a breeze. The transparent material of the sprayer allows you to monitor the oil level and seasoning easily. Make cooking a breeze with the 180ml glass olive oil sprayer with brush. Its easy-to-use design and sturdy construction ensure a healthier cooking experience for all your culinary creations.